Okay, the last thing I would like to show you is the base. The base intensify, the base has amazing energy. So if you have the house, even just put your hand on the top, have a feel of the energy. The base. It has the Christic House written on it and the radiance of the Christic House. And I got 3 stones, 2 diamonds, and a ruby. I'll just read to you what it represents. So the middle diamond, right, is like when you look down from above, top point of pyramid. Yeah, that's like the top of the pyramid. That's that middle diamond, which encompasses the whole volume of the Christic base. And the diamond on the top of the cross represents the divine light, a divine star, infinitely above. And it represents the individual's restoration to conscious light, allowing the brain mind to flower in its true radiance. And the ruby, the red ruby below at the bottom of the cross represents the wound and tears of the divine, the profound sacrifice and blessing that has enabled such a passage to be achieved. And the circle around the cross is the radiance of the divine breaking through the darkness of this dimension and fixity that has resulted here through the dark epoch. Okay. So there is a direction. So the top right, and that's to the north. Okay. So you align yourself. That's north, top right. So move the house to the base. Here we are, we complete building a Christic house.